Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your watch actually has NFC and at least 20% battery. This avoids mid-setup failures. Enable NFC in settings under connectivity, then select the contactless or tap-to-pay option if present. Once done, make sure the watch is unlocked, and when necessary, paired to your phone for account or card transfer. If registration prompts appear, follow on-screen steps to add a card or profile. This gets the device ready to read or emulate tags immediately. You now register the card or the tag you want the watch to use. Open the watch wallet or the companion phone app and choose Add Card or Add Tag. Follow verification via SMS, app approval, or bank authentication. Once verified, assign a default payment method or tag profile and enable Tap to Pay in the same menu. Make sure NFC-based apps have permission to run in background. After this, your watch can present credentials or emulate tags at a terminal or reader. You finish by tapping the watch face to the NFC reader, holding it steady for 1 to 3 seconds until the watch shows confirmation or asks for a PIN or biometric action. If a terminal rejects the tap, try repositioning to the reader coil or use the phone's reader to confirm terminal function. If problems persist, toggle NFC off and on, restart the watch, and if needed, remove and re-add the card profile. That single troubleshooting step solves most tap failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.